Hey everyone, it's Carolyn. Welcome back to Contemporary Mama. I am really excited to finally be sharing this ultimate extreme master closet declutter and organize with you. I had been meaning to do this for so long, but I just kept putting it off because my closet was so bad and I knew it was going to take a really long time to get this under control. But I decided to get it done and I am so happy that I did. And what makes this video extra exciting is that it is in collaboration with one of my YouTube besties. Her name is Shauna Wright, and she has an amazing cooking and cleaning channel for busy moms. I really hope that you'll go over and check out her video when you are done watching mine. I seriously am in love with all of her videos. She is super motivating with her cleaning motivation, and she also has the best recipes. So she'll be linked in the description box, and please let her know that I sent you. So before I really get into this declutter, I wanted to share with you 3 things I'm definitely not going to be decluttering. And one is this shirt that I'm wearing right now. This was sent to me from Thread Tank. If you haven't heard of them, they are an amazing clothing company. I've actually been a customer of theirs since last year. I purchased some shirts from them last summer, and I absolutely love the quality of the shirts, plus the amazing slogans. In fact, their slogan is actually stories you can wear. They have all sorts of funny sayings, cute sayings, designs. Seriously, no matter what your interests are, what your hobbies are, what your sense of humor is like, you will definitely find something that you enjoy at Thread Tank. So let me show you the 3 shirts that I got from them recently. If you have a kid under the age of 5, you will definitely appreciate this one. This is their Mama Shark t-shirt. I think it's so cute. I love the heathered look in t-shirts. It's super soft and all their shirts are made to order, so it's going to be exactly to your liking. They all come in multiple colors and patterns. So this is just my favorite one that I got this time. I just think it's so cute. Now, the next 2 that I got are completely different than like the motherhood type theme. This one is this pretty pink colored t-shirt, and you can see up in the corner it says "You had me at Merlot." You know I love my wine. I thought this was so cute and funny, a little funny spin on "You had me at hello." So I love this color pink. I think it's pretty flattering with my skin tone, and I just thought this was so funny. And then the next one that I got is this gray t-shirt. Sorry. And it says, "First I drink the coffee, then I save the lives." You know, I'm a coffee addict, and if you didn't know, I'm also a nurse, so this is absolutely perfect for me. They had a lot of nursing t-shirts as well as other professions, especially teachers too, I noticed. So I thought this was so perfect since I'm a nurse and a coffee addict. So I just thought that this one was just awesome. They were kind enough to give my subscribers a discount code, so I'll leave it here on the screen as well as in the description box. It's not commission based, it's just a purely discount for you guys. If you want to check out Thread Tank and some of their amazing clothing, then you can get it for 10% off, which is just awesome. So thank you so much for Thread Tank for sharing that coupon code with you guys. And they also make really great gifts. Mother's Day is right around the corner, so you can go and check out all of their cute motherhood tees and shirts, and I'm sure you'll definitely find something that the mother in your life would enjoy. So I just wanted to share those 3 shirts with you, and now it's time to get rid of things. I have a lot of work to do. So I'm taking a bit of a modified approach to the KonMari method, and I'm just going to be going section by section through my closet. So as you just saw, I removed everything that I had hanging up on hangers, and I'm going through it all one by one, and I'll be the first to admit I was pretty ruthless with this. I really was trying to get rid of all the things that I never ever wear, and I'm so pleased with the amount of clothes that I was able to donate. It's really going to be put to good use. So before I go ahead and hang that stuff back up in my closet, I really thought it was a good idea to clear it out a little bit more. There was just so much stuff in here. You could barely even fit yourself. So I'm just going ahead and clearing off the floor, getting rid of all the junk and things in here so that I can bring it out into my room, kind of organize it before I put everything where it belongs. Now I'm just going ahead and hanging back the stuff that I decided to keep. I do prefer to organize my clothes in a bit of a rainbow pattern. I just find that it's a little bit easier to find what you're looking for. It's also more aesthetically pleasing. And I also love that I have all the same types of hangers. I think that makes everything look really organized. All right, next I'm tackling my shoes, and I'll be the first to admit I wasn't quite as ruthless with these as I was with my clothes, but I did get rid of several pairs that I'm definitely not going to be wearing, and a few pairs that were just so old and worn out they just couldn't be salvaged. So while I was kind of organizing and decluttering before, my husband went ahead and installed this new shoe rack in the closet. I love how it's actually attached to the wall so that it is off the carpet. I just love having the floors clear in here. All right, now check out this storage unit over here. It is just jam-packed with clothes and crap. I'm going to begin by just clearing it all out so that I can begin going through, seeing what needs to stay, what needs to go, and then reorganizing it all at the end. So here I am just going through all those clothes that were on those shelves in my closet, picking out what I really don't wear, sticking it in the donate pile, and then everything that I'm going to be keeping, I'm going to be folding up really nicely. And off camera, you can't really tell, but my husband is actually going through his clothes as well, and he's going to be having a pile that he's going to donate to.
Have this feeling, haven't felt for so long. Took a hold of me and won't let go. I've been sleeping, caught me off my guard. Cause you're in my space and now I'm so pull me towards you and I cannot fight it. My head's underwater, I try to disguise it. Want you to hold me, though we haven't spoken. I need that something to get me to open. You are only a shot away from me to be my everything. Cause you are only a shot away from me to be.
Up on that shelf is where I had some storage bins where I keep my purses, bathing suits, scarves, and there was a bunch of random stuff up there too that probably didn't belong. So I just need to go through that, and I did find a few things that I was going to donate. Now that my husband had finished going through all his clothes, he would decided what he was going to keep, what he was going to donate. Anything that we're keeping, I'm just going to fold up really nicely and put them back on those shelves where they belong.
Won't let you touch me, won't let you go to my head, 'cause I know I'm dealing with the devil. But I'm standing with my heart in your hand, and I'm too deep into in this gamble. Pull me towards you.
So now's the really fun part where you get to see everything that I'm donating. There was that big pile of shoes, this even bigger pile of clothes. This little pile here is what my husband's getting rid of. It might not look like much, but I think that's just compared to how huge my donation pile is. All right, so the closet's done. This took me seriously hours. There is so much that I didn't even record because the video would just be way too long, but I'm really excited to show you how it turned out and how I organized everything. I hope this was super motivational for you to tackle an area in your house that desperately needs it, because this closet desperately needed it. Can you believe these are all the empty hangers from clothes that I am donating? It's crazy. I don't even know what I'm going to do with all these. All right, so right when you walk in, over on the left is the new shoe rack. Now, we actually decided to use this just for my shoes, and our old shoe rack, my husband took over for his shoes because that's smaller and he has less shoes than me. So I absolutely love how this is mounted on the wall, because I just love not having things on the ground so that I can vacuum in here, because this room did not get vacuumed very often, or this closet, because there was just always so much stuff on the ground. Then over here are just a couple of hooks. My husband hangs his backpack up there, and then this is like one of my nice purses that I have in this little bag to keep it protected. But anyways, that's that. Moving over here are all my clothes, and it's absolutely crazy how much I got rid of, and you seriously can't even tell, which just goes to show how stuffed it was before. It's just crazy. It doesn't even look like I took anything out, but I did. As you saw, there was a lot that I got rid of, and I just really enjoy having my closet sort of color-coded. It just makes things easier to find, and it's more aesthetically pleasing. And having all the same color and type of hangers really helps too. Then up above, everything is kind of stowed away neatly in these bins. I have my bathing suits. These are scarves. These are hats. I decided to leave out my spring purses, A, because these are kind of bigger and bulkier, and they didn't all fit in there, and B, since it's pretty much springtime, I'm going to be using these, so I just thought it would be fine to leave those out so I could grab them easily. And then in there is a big tub where I have like the rest of my bags. My husband did get rid of some of his clothes, or decluttered some of his clothes. So these are all his kind of like shirts and sweaters, and his suits are kind of like tucked away in the corner. And then this is that shoe rack that we had in here before. So he just tucked it under here. It fits perfectly. We just took off one of the levels there, and those are all his shoes. Well, he has a few more pairs that he keeps downstairs because he wears them every day for work. These are just some summer clothes, and then oh my gosh, I just love how organized this looks. So like this side is all my clothes, and this side is all my husband's. So it's just everything is folded. So nice and neat. This just really makes my heart happy. And before, we had this shelf of just like crap that I took out and just refused to put back in here. So up there is like all my camera equipment, and those are some books and like an overnight bag. So this just really came out so nice. I just love it. So that's gonna be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to head over to my friend Shauna's channel. Check out her closet declutter. You are gonna get double the motivation today, which is just awesome. Her channel and her video is linked down in the description box, so you can easily head on over there now and make sure that you let her know that I sent you. So I'm gonna see you guys on Friday with a brand new video. Bye.
Are only a shot away from me to be my everything, 'cause you are only a shot